Next guest doesn't think a taper-proof stock exists, so investors should look beyond the current headlines. She has some names to buy that will benefit investors over the next 3 to 5 years. Let's bring in our friend Kim Forrest, founder and chief investment officer with Bokeh Capital. Pronounce it for me, Kim, will you?
Bokeh.
Bokeh. Why don't you do it like Boca Raton? I mean, yeah.
Kinda. It is a photography term, and that's why I chose it. I'm an amateur photographer.
All right.
Nobody paid me for, so I'm clearly amateur.
Now we know. But you're a pro at the markets, and we're going to tap into that right now.
Great.
There's no such thing as a taper-proof stock. What do you mean?
It doesn't seem so. The last time that they tapered suddenly, the whole market went down, and I believe that was 2013. And I don't think taking away the punch bowl is something that any stock is going to benefit from, because so many of them are getting boosted by low interest rates, right? You have to pay a higher multiple when we're in a low interest rate environment. And when that ends, so does that multiple. So you have to look further out than just the taper.
Give me some nice names that you think can progress from here.
Sure. Well, I really love technology, and it's not because I was a software engineer and I understand it, but I see the runway, and everything says we're going to be more digitized and not less. And semiconductors in particular are in demand, and I understand that there's some supply chain issues, but I think just the sheer number of semiconductors that we're going to need in the future drives our love of that as an area to invest in. So we like Xilinx right now, and also Micron.
These are the companies that make the chips, right?
Exactly. And in particular, Xilinx is going to benefit from 5G, we think. They are going to get bought by AMD, but we're going to keep AMD when that transaction happens. Again, because we just think computing is not a fad. And, companies get productivity from it, people get entertainment from it, and we're going to have more chips this year than we did last year.